Here we go. Let's go.
We go. Woohoo!
Woohoo! Hee-hee. Oh, we got escalators.
You can't see yet.
That's cool. That's neat. Wow. This is so cool. Wow. We're in Peach's castle. Man.
That is cool.
It's like Mario 64, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's just like Mario 64. How cool. We know our Mario game.
Luigi.
Let's go. Couldn't go to Japan. I couldn't go to California, but we made it here. Holy Whoa! Holy crap. I'm gonna try not to curse. Holy crap. That's amazing. That's amazing. Look at the Yoshis!
Are you crying?
No, but I'm very happy. I'm very happy. Wait, let me cry. It's so beautiful. No. I'm gonna cry. No, I'm just kidding, but it is amazing. A couple happy tears, but peach, 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 peach. Well, this is definitely the coolest land here. Berk is amazing too, but this is very colorful and detailed. You got Princess Peach's castle, you got piranha plants, you got Koopas, you got Goombas, you got the Iceland, you got the, the regular kind of Mushroom Kingdom look. You've got the Bowser's castle. Mario Motors, I'm guessing, is the ride. You got Yoshi over here. And with the stack of Goombas, a little, what are those called? Thwomps or something? And the Yoshi ride, which I know is slow, but it's gonna be fun. And then we got Princess Peach here, but like I said, we're gonna meet all the characters next week. Sure. Hello.
Hello.
We love your dress. You look so beautiful. I love it. Oh yes. Thank you. We're dragon themed today, but next week we're gonna be looking like you guys. So we can't wait to see you guys. All right, let's see.
Have you been having a great time?
Yes, we have. Oh, the whole place. Oh yeah, look at that. Yep. Yeah, I've got Yoshi. Yoshi's my favorite.
Collecting so many coins.
I did. Well, we're working on it.
Try.
Yeah, we're gonna try to explore this whole area.
Yeah, we're gonna do that next.
Mario Kart next. Is that your favorite? Mario Kart's your favorite? I bet you can go really fast. I think
She
so.
probably wins all the time.
Yeah. You want to get a group picture too, Daddy?
Should we take a picture together?
Yeah, please. We're gonna get a group. Thank you. We'll keep an eye out for Bowser. Thank you, Princess Peach. Bye.
Right, Mario.
Hi, Mario.
Awesome.
How are you? High five. Hello. Yes, I love you. I do. You're my favorite, Mario. Oh yeah, do you like dragons, Luigi? Where am I standing? Right here? Okay. Yes, next time, Mario, we're gonna be themed like you guys. Okay, I promise. But my daughter made us wear dragons. Yeah. I appreciate it. I love you guys.
Thank you, Mario. Nice to see you finally.
Oh yeah, do the thingy. You got it? You're gonna get coins? Oh, a little bit harder.
Hit it hard.
A little bit
There you
harder.
go.
Woo! Thank you guys. Nice to see you.
There you go, my friends.
Thank you.
Bye, Luigi.
This was just our very first impression. We are diehard Nintendo fans, have been since childhood. We're going to be doing a deep dive of this land, so stay tuned as we're going to be covering everything there is to do here, all the rides, the merch, the food, and of course we're going to surprise the characters, theming as them. Hopefully we can see Donkey Kong and Toad, but they were not out this day. Regardless, we'll see them eventually, and check out our video on Isle of Berk.
There you have it, kids. Subscribe for more videos from my channel. Subscribe.
Click these videos next, the top one being our How to Train Your Dragon Land video, Isle of Berk, and Epic Universe, and the bottom one being our review of the Nintendo Switch with our favorite games to play as a family. We'll be reviewing the Switch 2 as well coming up this summer.